this is an exhaust fan hinge kit. What a hinge kit does for an exhaust fan is it allows the fan to be tilted backwards. That's going to give your hood cleaner and inspector access to the top of the duct that runs down to your kitchen and to the bottom side of the exhaust fan itself. That's going to allow them to clean it properly and to get to all the parts that they need to get to. Now, there's all types of different types of hinges. This is a real common one that comes factory with a fan like this, but there are a lot of other options which are way more robust, way heavier, more heavy duty. If you click on the link below, that's going to take you right to our page that has the different types of hinges available. But again, this is something that is required by law, that you have a hinge on your exhaust fan. It's a safety issue, and again, it allows for the correct type of access that you're going to need to clean the exhaust system.